No, that could be 4. It is the first boundary. Got an extra bounce. Sheldon Cottrell, Sergeant Cottrell strikes again. Nice shot, pleasant drive. That should be 4. That's where the cock is very strong. Another one, he walks off. That's a good catch by Shea Hope.
Ah, a little bit of drizzle in the air. Well, it's very, very light. There were a few spots of rain when the toss took place, but now it's become more of a very light sprinkle, and they've seen fit to pull the covers on.
Welcome once more to the Hampshire Bowl, where the weather gods have been playing games with us, I'm afraid. The covers were off, the umpires were out. We were thinking of a 4:15 start, and then just as that positive attitude began to affect the whole ground, the spectators included, the rain came back, and it came very hard, and that has curtailed things. They've now officially announced that the match is abandoned, which is really disappointing. What promised to be a fascinating game of cricket. One South Africa had to win, one West Indies needed to win.